Good morning. It's October 7th, 2020. I'm John Cooper, Lily's brother, and I'm going to make a little video here of her much anticipated new kitchen that she designed and paid to have some people build. So here we go. We're going to turn around. So let's get backed up here a little bit. As you come in the house through the front door, headed towards the patio doors, the floor changes here from a really nice hardwood, and that's Lulu, by the way, Lewisburg, such a good dog, to porcelain tile. These are all individual tiles. Porcelain turns out a form of ceramic tile. It's really, really nice, and the young man who installed it was a master. If you've seen the kitchen before, then you probably noticed that this area has been significantly changed. It's much lower now. It's counter height. The sink is new. It's I think called farmhouse sink. It's super nice. I mean, it has it's inset below the granite. It's got this nice steel. Next to it is the washing machine, same one as the old kitchen, because it's a really good whirlpool and very quiet, like so quiet you sometimes can't even hear it running. The cabinets go all the way up to the ceiling, and that top up there on the cabinet is called a crown, and it's just masterfully done. She's added some glass decorations and such. These drawers are amazing. They're all soft close, so you just, even these doors are soft close. Just really spectacular. Tons of cabinet space, although never enough. One super cool thing about this, this refrigerator is really nice. It's an LG, and the line name is ThinQ, and it has Wi-Fi. The stove oven is gas, including the broiler is gas. It does not have Wi-Fi that I'm aware of, but it is just a super nice stove, and it's new. This hood is completely new because the stove is relocated onto an outside wall so it can be vented to the outside, which it is. And it has, we'll get under here and look. It has 3 filters. It's just a spectacular stove. I mean, nice glass cabinets. Now, over here, believe it or not, is a microwave in here. And watch this. It's got an open button. So you just put your stuff down in here, and then you push the close button. Is that slick? And it's really nice. That thing was not cheap. So here are more cabinets. They're all, and drawers, they're all soft close. This door was already here, of course. All of this tile, backsplash tile, is new. Just an outstanding kitchen. She actually purchased this bench. Those pillows aren't permanent. They're just there till she gets a made-to-fit pad for it. But she purchased this bench, and it is a really high-quality bench. I mean, it's made out of wood. There's no particle board. It's it feels sturdy enough you could park a car on top of it. The stuff on the counter here is a drone and some accessories for my good friend in Mexico, Felipe. So that's about it. The new lights, and also if you've been in this kitchen before, up here there was a big fluorescent light, one of those kinds that drops out of the ceiling a little bit. She had all that replaced with 9 cans, and the cans over here on this switch can be dimmed. So like from here, very dim, to here, extremely bright. Anyway, nice kitchen. Ciao.